To set up AI, we come to the bottom left corner, click on it, and from here we go to Setup. Click on Setup and then go all the way to AI. In AI, we come to Setup. Here we have a couple of AI features we can activate. Please note that you can only set one AI feature per camera. Let's say, for example, we decide to set face detection for the camera on channel 2. We will click on this switch, and then on Apply. Face detection is going to be enabled on the camera on channel 2. Once it's done saving and it shows Save Successful, you can then go into the setup and do whatever settings you want, be it increasing or decreasing the minimum and maximum pixels, to choosing for the snap mode to be optimal or real-time. Or we can choose to apply frontal view, multi-angle view, or customize a view. We can also choose to enable face enhancements or disable it, and a bunch of other settings. Whenever you change any setting, you click on Save. Do not forget to always save any changes made. Now that we have enabled the camera on channel 2 for face detection, you notice that when we go to human and vehicle detection, we can no more enable channel 2 for this detection because it is already enabled for another. So only one AI feature can be enabled for each camera. This is how to set up AI on the recorder.